In this week's video, I will be using Unity's particle system to make my game go from this to this. To get there, we have to replace this text UI with some nice, colorful, not disgusting UI. Not all assets are created equal, and a lot of them have to be edited in order to fit the game I'm making. For example, this heart, I have to give it a transparent background for it to work. And I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna need some help. Thank you, Google. That was pretty easy. I started with lives. I wanted to have 3 hearts to replace those disgusting X's. Then I added some UI for the coins and the people save meter. Now they just have to work. Now I just have to code just a bit, and yeah, it should work. Let's see how it goes. It's looking very sick. Wait, what? Oh my god. That was not supposed to happen. Apparently, I broke my UI. Great. Okay, everything's back to normal now. But it's not enough. It still looks terrible. Yeah. So let's add some cool graphics. Let's add some fonts, put a title, sprinkle a bit of buttons here and there, and make them look sick. Guys, look at this. When you press it, it changes color. I know. Pretty epic. It took me way too long to implement that. Nope. So guys, I have to be honest. A lot of you guys won't be able to play this game because it's not a new game. It's going to be difficult and epic, okay? So I decided to implement a difficulty system that increases as time increases. So I set different timestamps that change the spawn rate of the viruses, and voila, epic game. Wait, why does it look like nothing's happening? Oh my god. Oh, it's in noob mode. Okay, let me just switch it up to hardcore mode, and yes, only pro gamers can play my game. I bet not even Dream can play my game with his IQ 5000. But I'm a pro gamer, so I can play any game that I want. Oh, you don't believe me? Check this out. We are going to ignore that. It's time to pull out my secret weapon. Unity's particle system. I learned it from Master Dani. Has been passed down through the generations to game developers. And now, it is finally my turn. Cool, now we have particles. And I think we need a bit more particles. Okay, this is looking way better. The virus color now corresponds with the particle colors, which is pretty epic. Now it's time to work on the bombs. When I was doing this, I thought to myself, well, fire is red, right? But no, turns out fire is not red. Fire is everything but red, actually. I found this out when I was looking up on Google, fire, because apparently I didn't know what it looked like. Anyways, I tweaked it a little bit here and there, added some CO2 in there, and I continued adding some more color to it, and boom! It looks legit. I think it looks pretty good. Now, it's time for the real thing. I made a simple function to add this particle object to the scene as soon as the bomb is destroyed, and then it destroys itself. So if you're staring at the scene for some time, I noticed that it's kind of hard to see the viruses. So we need to change that. We need to change the background and the viruses. Starting with the viruses, I made a version of the virus that was yellow, which looks really awesome, and a version of the virus that is white with black, which is my personal favorite right now. And I also changed the background to this wood background, and it looks pretty sick. Epic. Now that I have mastered the art of Unity's particle systems, I started adding it everywhere, including the home screen, which actually turned out kind of good. I kind of like it. Now I must go all out. Just this once on the level selector screen. Awesome! We finished adding the most important cities in the world, and now you can select the level and play and save all the population of that city. And if you save all the cities, you save the world. Epic. Well, that's all we have for this week, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.